Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today's video I'll show you how you can get officially verified on your Instagram. Get this blue tick on your Instagram page name. So yeah, before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with your friends and family who also are curious about it. And yeah, let's get started. So all you have to do is go to your Instagram, and once your app is open, all you have to do is click on this profile icon below right corner, tap on it, and then you will see this three-lined menu above. Tap on that option, and then you will go to settings. Tap on it, and then you have account option below. Tap on that option, and then you will have an option called request verification. Tap on it. So to get verified, you have to get verification confirmation from Instagram itself. So there are the information that you have to put in. You have to confirm your authenticity, confirm notability, and you have to paste in your links. And after you add all of the links, all of the information, then you will just tap on the submit option, and your details will be submitted. And once Instagram is done with the verification and you're verified officially, and then they will inform you in official way. And once you are verified by Instagram itself, then you will get that verification blue tick on your Instagram page name. So yeah, this is the way that you can get verified on Instagram, and I hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.